I want something that's going to last. I don't just want junk that is cheap that we can replace in a few years. We are near the ocean, so I wanted something that won't rust, something that's non-corrosive, something that's durable. Pay peanuts and you get monkeys. You really have to spend a little bit more to get a good quality product that will see you through. I wanted to go local. Why? Because if you have a problem or if you have a question, they get back to you immediately. And also it's good to go local. It's good to know the people that you're going to be doing the business with. I just wanted to do business with someone who was on the same page as myself. It was great. It was seamless. From the first phone call through to actually having the panels put up on the roof, it all flowed really well. We finally don't have an electricity bill, so that's really good. We're saving lots of money. For me, it's mainly about the environmental impact that we're going to have. I'd say do it sooner rather than later. Just get it happening, because we're talking about the future of the planet, and I think if we can switch to renewables and solar, let's use that.